Welcome back to another interesting tutorial, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply log into your Google Ads account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on this particular Google Apps right here. Then this is going to load down right here. Go ahead and make sure you look for Google Ads right here. So right click on Google Ads. Go ahead and click on open link in a new tab. And go ahead and come to the new tab right here and allow it to load up. Then here you go. Just like so. So what we want to do right here is to be sure we come to, so you can see drive sales with Google Ads. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. And then make sure you click on sign in. Then here you go. Select the Google account that you use for your ad account. Then here you go. Go ahead and enter the login password. Having entered your login password, go ahead and click on next right here. Then here you go. You have to apply your two-step verification. Go ahead and click on passkey. Next thing you want to do here is to click on continue. Select your device. Then go ahead and enter your passkey, your device passkey. Then set your home address, skip for now. Now your Google Ads account is trying to load up. Here you go. Now you have full access to your Google Ads account, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So in my future tutorial, I will make a lot of tutorial video about how best to run an effective Google Ads. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Google Ads, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.